Hello, good afternoon, everyone, and welcome once again to my YouTube channel, Sharif Technologies. As you all know, what we've been doing here. For today's video, we are going, we are going not to waste much time. So let's just get into the video. For today's video, what we are going to look on is there is something called call barring, which I think many people has been going through a certain problem, which if you haven't come across it before, you will not be able to solve it. So let me show you now an example of what I am. Okay, let me just dial this number. Sometimes you see, when you dial a number, you sorry sometimes when you dial a number, you see that they will just tell you that call buried, or the call will just ended immediately. You dial it, it immediately end by itself. Okay, so we are going to look on how you can solve this problem by yourself. If you are using MTN, you just go to your settings and call settings or calling accounts. Okay, then choose your sim, the sim that is having that problem. Mine is sim 2, so you go to call barring. Okay, so when you go to call barring, you will see that as you can see the first option, you can see that all outgoing calls, it is on over there. Okay, you can see that that one is on, so just tap on it. And the problem many people is been having with this thing is the password. As you can see, the problem is the password. At times you will not be able to identify the kind of password they are expecting from you, but on MTN they are having a default password for every MTN sim. They are having a default password on call barring for every MTN SIM card. So if you enter your phone password, it will not work. Or if you enter the phone default password, which is 1234, it will not also work. But on some sims, that password, the default password, works. So on MTN, if only you are using MTN, the default password is 0000. Okay, 004. Okay, so just tap on turn off, and you see that that option will be turned off. As you can see on top, that it is now off. So now let's go back and dial a number and see what will happen. Okay, now going like you dial a number right now, you will be able to reach the person. But at first, if you dial a number, you will see that it will immediately uh, hang up without your consent. So guys, this what I have for you today. And again, I would like you to subscribe for this channel, and also like and share this video to all your friends and family, so that they will also benefit from it. So This is what I have for you today. Thank you, and thank for watching too.